how to embed Google Calendar in Notion. Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed Google Calendar in Notion. Stick around till the end so you don't miss anything important. Let's get started. First, we're going to start with Google Calendar. Go ahead and open Google Calendar in your browser. Make sure you're using the account that has the calendar you want to embed. Once you're in, look at the left-hand side where your calendars are listed. Find the one you want to embed, and then click the three dots next to its name. From that menu, select Settings and Sharing. This will take you to the settings page for that calendar. Now scroll down until you find the section called Integrate Calendar. Here you'll see an option with the embed code. Copy that embed code because we'll need it in a second. Now, let's move over to Notion. Open the page or workspace where you want to display your calendar. Click into a block, type /embed, and then select the embed option from the menu that pops up. A box will appear asking for the link or code you want to embed. Paste the embed code from Google Calendar into that box, and then click Embed Link. And that's it. Your Google Calendar is now embedded right into Notion. You can view and interact with your calendar without ever leaving your workspace, which makes it so much easier to stay organized. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.